General Finish's Enduro line of water-based coatings is specifically designed for professional, industrial, and OEM operations. These coatings are known for their high performance, ease of use, and versatility across various substrates and applications. Comprehensive videos for each product are available on YouTube and comparison charts at generalfinishes.com/compare. Enduro products in this video are VOC compliant in all 50 states, water cleanup, low odor, non-flammable, all top coats meet or exceed KCMA standards. All top coats require a sealer or primer over existing finishes. All pigmented top coats are self-sealing and non-yellowing when properly primed. 2K coatings require Enduro NCO catalyst. When working with our tintable products, be sure to use zero VOC colorants. Our recommendation is Colorfall Zero. Let's start off with our Enduro RTM stain. Enduro RTM stain is interior use only, provides brilliant consistent colors that are easy to apply, produces minimal color pull, can be used for toning with most Enduro water-based top coats, makes color matching fast and simple. No math is required, even for custom colors. Spray or hand apply. The system includes a color chip box and formulas for creating over 100 colors. Enduro primers are the foundation for General Finish's pigmented systems. Enduro white undercoat is interior and exterior rated, tintable to light and pastel colors, a polyurethane acrylic physical primer that can be applied by brush, roll, and spray. High solids content for fast build, it's fast drying and easy to sand. Enduro deep base undercoat is interior and exterior rated, tintable to dark colors, a polyurethane acrylic physical primer counterpart to white undercoat that can be applied by brush, roll, and spray. It has high solids content for fast build with exceptional hide properties. Plus it passes the 24-hour soak test with flying colors. Enduro Stain Blocker is interior and exterior rated, an epoxy acrylic chemical primer that can be applied by brush, roll, and spray. Its high solids provide fast film build and vertical sag resistance. It has advanced water resistance and adhesion. It is the most protective primer GF offers. It prevents tan and bleed through and discoloration. Enduro Sanding Sealer is interior rated, self-cross-linking acrylic formula with strong adhesion, designed for fast build and easy sanding. Provides a high-end base coat at a popular price. Can be toned with Enduro RTM stain and dye stains. Let's talk about our clear coats, starting with Enduro Precat Lacquer. It's interior rated, is a self-cross-linking acrylic formulation, is one of our hardest finishes with high clarity, has an average 8-hour stack time, can be toned with GF water-based dye and wood stains, and is easily buffed to a high gloss. Enduro Pro Series Polyurethane Clear is interior rated, tintable, self-cross-linking polyurethane acrylic, high film clarity with high build. It can be applied by brush, roll, and spray, and applied to multiple substrates, including interior MDF, HDF, and masonite. Enduro Clear Poly is interior rated, it is tintable, it's a premium self-cross-linking urethane acrylic blend, is ready to spray out of the can with no thinning required, and can be toned with GF water-based dye and wood stains. Enduro Conversion Varnish is interior and exterior rated, is a 2K polyurethane acrylic formulation, provides high block resistance, has an average 8-hour stack time. The low viscosity makes spray applications easy, and is a great choice for durability when tinting or toning is not required. Enduro 2K Clear Poly is interior and exterior rated. It's a true 2K hydroxyl functional polyurethane formulation. It provides industrial grade water and chemical resistance. Features phenomenal adhesion, flow, and leveling. The high solids content provides excellent anti-sag properties, delivers fast production time with high block resistance, and a full cure of 5 to 7 days. And it's compatible with pre-primed steel and fiberglass. It's formulated for improved ability to tint. Enduro pigmented finishes are self-sealing and non-yellowing. Enduro Pro Series polyurethane white is interior rated, tintable. It's a self-cross-linking polyurethane acrylic. It has high build with excellent flow and leveling. It can be applied by brush, roll, and spray. It's a two-coat hide system for certain applications when properly primed. It can be applied to multiple substrates, including interior MDF, HDF, and masonite. Enduro White Poly is interior rated, it's tintable, is a premium self-cross-linking urethane acrylic. It's very durable and abrasion resistant, has a ready-to-spray viscosity, and fast drying. Enduro Black Poly is interior rated. It's also a premium self-cross-linking urethane acrylic with strong durability and abrasion resistance. Has a low, ready-to-spray viscosity that flows and levels easily. Enduro 2K White Poly is interior and exterior rated, is a true 2K hydroxyl functional polyurethane formulation. It provides industrial-grade water and chemical resistance. Features phenomenal adhesion, flow, and leveling. The high solids content provides excellent anti-sag properties. Delivers fast production time with high block resistance and a full cure of 5 to 7 days. It is compatible with pre-primed steel, fiberglass, and powder-coated substrates. It's formulated to improve ability to tint. Our American-made Enduro lineup has everything professional, industrial, and OEM operations need, allowing users to choose the best coating for your specific needs and project requirements. Made right in East Troy, Wisconsin. General Finishes is dedicated to testing and advancing Enduro water-based coatings with the highest quality ingredients and leading water-based technology. Learn more about GF's premium Enduro coatings at generalfinishes.com. General Finishes, we make tomorrow's finishes today.